He started out with the simple goal of wanting to help people. And he never forgot that he once worked as a night clerk of a Skid Row hotel.
Being a preacher's son, I was taught to care about people. I suppose that helped me to look at business in a different way, to make products that would help people in a way they had never been helped before.
He was a rare captain of industry who never set out to build a Fortune 500 company. Instead, he urged his colleagues to find success in thousands of small, everyday decisions.
I've always been fascinated by mechanical gadgets. Always liked to be able to tinker and experiment. Creativeness, stubbornness, those are my specialties.
His career combined the classic virtues of Yankee ingenuity with an ever-present concern for the people around him. And the people who knew him best called him a gentle giant. His name was R. Stanton Avery, but the world knew him as Stan. The Stan Avery who created the modern self-adhesive label. The Stan Avery who developed a way for these labels to be printed on a web press, cut out to shape and size on the converting line, then re-reeled and applied automatically from a roll. The Stan Avery who did more than just create a product. He pioneered an entire industry. But most of all, Stan Avery was a man with an extraordinary talent for bringing people together and showing them how to be better human beings. He taught us that integrity is more than a handshake. He showed us how to communicate openly and honestly with our customers and associates. He inspired creativity and encouraged excellence. His life was the very model of good corporate citizenship. And the more we got to know him, the more his vision became our values.
There was a time when all I wanted was to help people with charitable work and things like that. But as time went on, I decided that a business could do even more. It could help more people than I could ever possibly help on my own. So in a way, I've been able to accomplish even more than I originally expected to.
What is most astounding about this man was the impact his creations have had on the entire world. Every day, in so many ways, his simple ideas will continue to affect our lives well into the future. And the unintended consequences of his ingenuity have spawned an industry that today is vibrant, it's significant, and it's growing globally. Yes, Stan Avery set an example that the entire pressure-sensitive industry was destined to follow. But the only way we could do it was to follow in his footsteps.
It's all very gratifying, and it always comes back to people. You have to believe in your employees. You have to be honest with your customers. You have to lead from the top, even after you retire.
The high standards with which Stan built this company continue to lead us forward in pursuit of excellence in everything we do. Today, they have evolved into what we now call our values, a credo that comes with the same promise of success. We are committed to perform with integrity, by acting honestly, ethically, and honorably in everything we do. With service, by satisfying our customers every time. With teamwork, by building relationships based on trust, respect, and caring. With innovation, by fostering creativity and the development of new ideas, products, and processes. With excellence, by striving to be the best in everything we do. And with community, by acting responsibly as members of the communities in which we operate. Our values worked then, and they work now.